morning everybody. Good morning to my followers. Today is Monday. And I'm with my husband going for a ride. But I'm going to just keeping company my husband. He's going to have a lot of inspection today. So I just keeping company. Just stay in the car. Wait for him, and then when he done the work, maglalunch kami. Maglalunch na naman kami. So mag-stay lang ako sa sasakyan pagdating namin doon. Siya lang ang makikipag-meeting, hindi naman ako kasali. May meeting siya, siguro mga 2 hours ang meeting niya. 2 hours or 3 something. So dito lang ako sa sasakyan, matutulog.